Hello, in this tutorial we will discuss about AD admin, AD CTRL and AD ident. And in the other part we are going to discuss about the autoconfig. So let's start with AD admin. So what is an AD admin? It is used to perform number of administrative tasks to make sure that the Oracle application runs smoothly. There are around 15 AD utility tools. Once we start AD admin, it asks for many questions like the app password, email notification, batch size, correct AppleTop or the database, system password, and then it starts. The options that we get, the first option is generate applications files menu. Inside it we have generate message files, generate form files, generate report files, jar files, return to main menu, and generate graphic files. The next option we have maintain application file menu. Over here we get the relink application programs, create application environmental files, number 3 copy files to destination. This copies files from each product top to a central location where they can be easily referred by non-application programs. The files that are copied are JavaTop copied to JavaTop, HTML files copied to OH_top, and the media files copied to OH_top. The directories of these variables are specified in adverse.env, which is present in AppleTop admin. Then we have the maintain snapshot information. There are two types of snapshots. We have the AppleTop and the global. The AppleTop snapshot, it lists patches and versions of the files in the AppleTop, and the global, it lists patches and versions of the file in the entire application system. Both can be current view or named view snapshots. A current view snapshot is created once and updated to maintain a consistent view. Named view snapshot is a copy of the current view at a particular time and is not updated. A complete current view snapshot is required to provide automatic prerequisite checks. During installation, Rapid Install creates a current snapshot as baseline. Every time we run autopatch, is automatically created updated snapshot so that the information is current. Next we have the check for missing files. This option verifies that the files which are needed to run Oracle application for the present configuration are present in AppleTop admin and check if missing. The third option of AD admin is compile reload application database entries menus. Over here we have compile app schema. It compiles all the objects and gives the counts of invalid objects. Next, compile menu information and compile flex fields and reload jar files to database. The task reload all the Oracle application jar files to the database. Choose the option if the patch readme.txt saves or the Oracle application Java files are removed from database. Next we have maintain application database entries menu. Over here we have the validate app schema. It consists of all the grants and synonyms, the app schema. How can we validate it? If grants and synonyms are missing, it will throw an error. The next option we have under maintain application files menu is recreate of grants and synonyms. Now for example, I know 1000 grants needed to be created. Some might be missing. If we miss, it can be regenerated again by this option recreate of grants and synonyms. The third option is maintain multilingual tables. This task needs to be done if we add an additional language. Check dummy table. Check dual table. The dual is a dummy table automatically created by Oracle application with data dictionary. It checks and ensures that the dual table exists and has exactly one row. In case it has more than one row, application will not function properly. Maintain multi-reporting currency schema. If we mention business in multiple locations, then we need to have multiple currencies. Then we need to maintain the schema. And if we are not having MRC schema, we need to enable it through this option. MRC stands for multi-reporting currency. The default is US currency. But if the organization operating books are in other currency, then we need to enable MRC schema in apps. It has to see reports in different currencies like rupees, yen, etc. Convert to multi-organization. If we are doing business into different locations, MRC schema convert and maintain the product price to a particular currency. Change maintenance mode. Over here we have options like this: enable maintenance mode, disable maintenance mode, return to main menu. Maintenance mode. It disables users from accessing the business login page. No Oracle application functions are available to the users. So this is about AD admin. Now we will discuss about AD CTRL. We learned AD admin does the maintenance work. For executing the statements one after another, we need workers. The two tables needed by the workers are fnd install process that contains the running job information and AD default jobs that contains the failed job information. So once we fire AD CTRL, the first option that we get is shows worker status, and the status it would be running, wait, assigned, completed, failed, fixed, restarted, or restarted. The second option tells tell worker to restart a failed job. Our worker has failed to do a job due to permissions denied. We manually made the changes and requested to the worker to restart the failed job. Number 3, we have tell worker to quit. In error, we have started 6 workers, but we need only 5 workers, so we can tell the 6th worker to quit. If the 6th worker is doing any work, it will complete the work and then it will quit. Control code will be done. The 4th option says tell manager that a worker failed the job. We tried to manually execute the job but still not resolved. So we need to contact Oracle support and they will provide the solution. The 5th option tell manager that a worker acknowledges quit. The worker is not responding. Then we use this option. The 6th option restart the worker on a current machine. If any worker has quit, then we can restart the worker on the current machine. The 7th option is exit, and we have a hidden option, that is the 8th option. Worker doing a work and raised an error. We saw the worker log file and manually executed a script and it got successful. It means already the job done manually and asked the worker to start with a new job. So this is about ADCTRL, and the default number of workers that we use is 8 workers. Now let's learn about AD-ident. AD-ident, it is used to find the version of a file, and the syntax will be AD-ident, header the file name. We also will learn about AD-LIC-MGR and AD-Splice in this chapter. So AD-LIC-MGR is, if our product is not licensed, then we cannot use the product. So this is a graphical utility to make the product licensed if and only it is not licensed at the time of installation. But AD-Splice will register the product and apply licenses to it. Now for example, Oracle has 150 products. All products are licensed. And if you have purchased a new product, we need to go to the Oracle website and register the product. They will give a license code to register the product, and then we need to use AD-LIC-MGR to get the product licensed. The next is AD-Splice. This is used to register off-cycle products. Oracle often releases products after the base release of the application. These products are known as off-cycle products. AD-Splice has to register the products so that they can be recognized as valid products as Oracle application products. Off-cycle products come in the form of patch. Once we unzip the patch, it gives readme.txt, readme.html and the driver files and the control files like. For example, it has control files like prod.txt. It contains the language dependent information about the product. prod.ter.txt. It contains language dependent information about the product, and it has new prod.txt. So this is the configuration file. It contains parameters and values to splice the new product. We need to copy all the files to the Appletop admin before running AD-Splice. Make sure to review adnewplots.txt and verify that a tablespace list exists and plan accordingly. Now, this is all we have from this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will learn about autoconfig. Thank you.